Welcome back. This is an extra tutorial on how to access keys of a JSON response. As you can see, after we use the json.parse, we have the response variable, and this response variable represents the complete response, represents the complete JSON, all of this part. And as you can see, it represents all of this. And in order to access any of these keys, we use the dot notation. So if we want to access the location, we use dot and then location. As you can see, location, dot location. If we access the name, inside the location we would type location dot name. If you want to access the country, you would again use response dot location and dot country instead of name. If you want to access the region, you would replace the name with the region. And if you want to access keys inside the current, you would type response.current, because this is current.current, and then any key inside the current. In our case, we used the temperature. So here we have current and then dot temperature. And we also had the humidity. So here I accessed the current and then dot humidity. I also accessed the weather underscore icons, and be careful here because the weather underscore icons is an array. It's not an object. And it's inside the current. So I first accessed the current, response.current, and then weather underscore icons, which is an array. And it only contains one element. Therefore, I used square brackets and then 0 because I want to access index number 0, which is the first element, first and only element. So if you want to access any key other than these, you would use the same exact way. You only use the response and then you call the key that you want. If you want to access the location, you would type response.location and then dot the key that you want. If you want to access the current, you would type response.current and then the key that you want. So this is a quick tutorial on how to access keys inside a JSON response.